In this lecture, you are going to learn two methods that will help you to decide should you start your business full-time or part-time. So, full-time or part-time online business. 10 years ago, when I decided to start my online business, this is the exact questions that I asked myself. Full-time or part-time online entrepreneur? At that time, I chose part-time and I never regret that decisions. But it took me about 6 months to make that decisions. I know it is a long time, but I do know someone that keep thinking about this forever. If this is you, I have two great methods that are able to help you to decide to make this decision now. The first one, A to B and B to A method. A to B, B to A method simply means that when you are going from point A to B, as long as you can get back to point A, if any bad things happen, then you should make that decisions and go to point B. For example, you are working full-time now, which is your point A, and you would like to start up your full-time online business, which will be your point B. So, if you fail in your online business, are you able to get back the job or similar job that you previously have? If the answer is yes, go and start up your online business full-time. If not, you may consider start your online business part-time first. Starting a business part-time helps you to ease into entrepreneurship. This is especially helpful for first-time entrepreneurs. You might not be sure if you really want to become an entrepreneur, but you want to try how it feels. The 5-second methods. Very often we just think way too much, and I mean way too much. You know that by not making any decision is also a decision. In psychology, this is called indecision decisions. By using these second methods, you are able to make decisions without dragging. So for example, you are thinking of should you go for full-time online business or part-time? You need to answer below two questions within 5 seconds. The first one, will you be able to survive in the next 6 months without any income? Do you know what are you actually need to do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If your answer for both questions is yes, you are good to go. If your answer is no for either one, you are not ready yet. You might want to consider starting your business part-time first. So these are the two methods that you can use to make firm decisions if you think that you are dragging and thinking way too much without taking any actions. Remember, dreams are just dreams. You need to wake up and take action to make all your dreams come true. So now, your assignment for this lecture is to use these two methods to decide should you be going for a part-time or a full-time online business. In this lecture, you will be learning the top 4 ClickBank alternatives. Right away after the launch of my pro ClickBank affiliate without website and email list, I get a few messages regarding, Wayne, please help. ClickBank does not work in my country. So I thought of it would be best that I could include this topic into this course as well. Let's see what are the top 4 ClickBank alternatives. The first one, Rakuten Link Share. Rakuten is one of my favorite ClickBank alternatives. It provides tons of great brands and also it is free to join. You can join Rakuten by using your social media such as Facebook, so no website is required to join. Rakuten Link Share Marketing has a lot of physical products to promote, including some very big brands as well. You have to sign up with each individual advertiser before you can promote their products. Second, CJ Affiliates. CJ Affiliates is easy to use and full of useful stats. There is a large variety of products that you can promote just like Rakuten. CJ Affiliate is like Rakuten Link Share in that you have to apply to individual advertiser, which take more time than the instant acceptance of many other networks such as ClickBank. However, it is usually not really that difficult to get accepted by most advertisers over here, and CJ is free to apply as well. Share a Sale is another well-known affiliate network with a lot of product options. However, it is not that easy to get started joining affiliate program with them. You have to verify that you own your website before you can join any of their affiliate program, which involve placing a key in your website header tag. So if you have a high traffic website, you may consider apply with Share a Sale. Jerryzoo, a digital products network just like ClickBank. Jerryzoo is very similar to ClickBank in that it is a network for affiliates and sellers. Jerryzoo got a lot of digital products and it is very easy to navigate. Just like with ClickBank, you can check out the marketplace to get an idea of the products you could promote before you sign up. However, just make sure that you check the sales page before promoting, as some of them have a lot of terrible grammar mistake or poorly executed sales page. Well, this does not mean that you cannot success with Jerryzoo. It just means that you have to be extra careful when filtering through the products before you decide to promote something on your site. So in my opinion, the top 2 ClickBank affiliates network alternative that I will choose if ClickBank is banned in my country, I will be going after Linkshare and also CJ affiliates. Why we want to sell high-ticket affiliate products? High-ticket affiliate products simply means affiliate products that are giving out high commissions. Let's look at this scenario. Your affiliate products give you $10 every time someone click and buy from a link. So if you spend $100 to get 100 potential customers to your landing page through Facebook marketing, each of these potential customers costs you $1. And out of these 100 potential customers, 10% of them buy your products, and that will be 10 people buying from you, and you get to earn $100 commissions. So you have spent $100 in order to earn $100 commissions. Did you see it? You did not earn anything, you are just on a break-even situation. On the other hand, if you are selling a high-ticket product, which you will get $100 for every successful sale, the story will be totally different. You spend $100 to get 50 potential customers to your landing page through Facebook marketing. So each of these potential customers costs you $2. And out of these 50 potential customers, only 4% of them buy your products, and that will be 2 people buying from you, and you get to earn $200. So did you see the difference? The products that are giving out high commissions probably products that are in higher selling price as well. Therefore, you can expect a lower conversion rates. But then, it does not really matter if the conversion rate is low, as the commissions itself that you receive are enough to earn back what you have spent on your Facebook ads, and also be able to generate some profits as well. So how do you find such high ticket products in ClickBank? Very simple, just go to Marketplace in ClickBank, go to Filter column on the left and look for initial dollar per sale. Over here, set the first column to $100. What it does is that it will only show products that are giving out at $100 and above commissions. If you want to ask me, I personally prefer to choose products that are giving out more than $50 commissions per sales. Well, the reason is very simple. The hard work that you put in to promote the lower commission and the higher commission products is pretty much the same. Why not choose a higher commission products? I love this statement very much. In order to earn your very first 1 million, it can be 250,000 people buy a $4 product from you, 100,000 people buy a $10 product from you, 50,000 people buy a $20 product from you, 10,000 people buy a $100 product from you, or 1,000 people buy a $1,000 product from you. So which product do you choose to sell? A $4 products or a $1,000 products? The choice is yours.